All right, so we're gonna open up the box, see how this thing is packaged. And I ordered this directly through the manufacturer, but I've seen it for sale on Amazon too. So it's a nice thick bubble wrap, bubble stuff on top. And here's for filling up the generator with oil, some tools here. Styrofoam on the side. I'm just gonna lift it up out of here. It's actually pretty light, 47 pounds, which I don't know if I've seen a 3600 watt generator that's that light and kind of in this package. And the reason I went with this is of the size of it. I didn't want one of those big blocky ones. Because we may potentially put it on the outside of our camper, just kind of like one we have here. We put a generator in this little box and kind of like carrying it outside or outside of the truck. We have a Honda Ridgeline, so this would go in the lockable trunk, and so we don't have to tie it, lock it into anything. It would just be inside the trunk. So what we're going to do here is, let's see, did it come with any oil?